Hi, in this video we will be seeing how we can format fonts and text. So I have opened one blank presentation file, and here if I'll try to enter some data. Okay, I'm just typing some. Okay, so we are going to see that how we can apply some all these functions, right? So in previous video we have seen these all sections, and now we will be seeing that in home tab what are the function available on the our font. So I have just selected one text, and this is the text box where I have a type some text. So first thing, if you want to change the style of font, what we can do is we can select from here, and whatever the like base of our need, which one we wanted, we can use this. Okay, now if I want to change the size of text, we can select that one, and as soon as I'm, if you observe, as soon as I'm moving, it is showing that how the text will be look. So based on our need, based on our choice, we can select it. So I'm clicking on this. Now if you want to just have a one step like bigger or little bit smaller, no, you can use this icon. Then we have clear formatting. If I click on this, it will be become to the default format, whatever the default at the format when we create the slide, right? And that time what was the, so this is the new feature which we will not be able to see in the like Excel. Here it is there, like clear formatting. So if I click on that, if you observe that text is getting to the its original format. So I put Ctrl Z. Now another one is a bold. For bold, we can click on the bold, it will be bold. Italic, if I want to see the italic, I can click on the italic, and the underline. So there is shortcut as well, Ctrl U is the for underlining. And then this one is a text shadow. If I click on that, you will be having a text shadow. If you see that, if you observe, there is a like small shadow. If I zoom it, just try to see if we can. So there will be small shadow. If you see the, here shadow is there. Let me select this one and click on this. Now if you observe, there is no shadow. Okay, but if I click on that, see the shadow got added. So this is the way we can add and remove shadow. Then here will be the strike through. If I click on the select the text, and let me zoom out this one to 100% so that we can see. Let it be 71%, 70%. Now if I click on this, see what happens, the text get it strike through. And now we'll click on the strike through. Then here we have, I don't want to do that, just I click this, and then we have one character spacing. If I click very tight, so it is it controls on spacing, right? So based on our choice, like how we wanted our text to be visible, we can choose that one. Then another option is there. Here we have change case. If I click on this sentence, so first character will be, if I click on the sentence, as of now, if you see hello, this and these few letters are in capital and other are small, right? If I click on the sentence format, what happened in the sentence, the first letter only it's come in capital, or will be small. So if I click on that, it will become then lowercase. All text will be in the lowercase, it will change to the lowercase. Then if I wanted to see all the text on the uppercase, then it will be all will be in uppercase, will change to the uppercase. I don't have to remove necessary and write in uppercase. If I have typed something, I wanted to have this word to be in capital letter, so I don't have to remove it and type it. I have to just select the text and click on the uppercase, and all the thing will be in the uppercase. So again, capitalize each word. If I click on that, if you see each word of each letter, first letter of the each word got in capital. Then again if I click on the this last one option is toggle case. If I click on that, like if you see, the first letter of the each word is become in the smaller and rest all are in like capital small letters. This way it is got added. Now let me move it to the like sentence, or you can have capitalize each word. This looks good. Now if I click, if you observe, if I click in the test, right, these fields are getting highlighted. If I click outside, this like the option is not visible. So some of the function, like based on the their if that can be applied, then it will be visible. So we have seen this one. Now the this one is like backfilling. If I click on that, if you see, the wherever test is there, it is not changing the shape color, but wherever a test is there, it getting filled. Okay, so this is like filling the our test. Now I'll change to the like, let's see if this one, let it be this one. Did not get click, so I need to click it. Now next one is there for test color. As of now we can see the black color. If you want to have some different color, say for example red color, we can select the test and click on the that color, whatever the color we wanted to choose. So we can, if you want a blue color, based on our choice and need, right, we can use it. White color, we can use white color. Now we will be having paragraph. It is like very small, so we can quickly connect. So nothing is like, as of now, if you want to have some data to be in the like kind of in the point wise, right, if I click on that one point, then another is 1 point, so it will keep on adding at the point wise, so it can be changed to the point. Let me put it there. So if you see that one bullet point got added here. The similar way, if I want to have the numbers, as of now, if you see here it was options, which one we wanted. So if I want this one, it can be added. Let me change to the black so that we can have a better look. So if you see, it got arrow got added here. So if you want to change to the different, right, so here if you see this one, anything as our need we can do. Then here we have numbers. If you want to add numbers, we can add it numbers. Okay, and then we have the test like spaces on the between test lines, right. So if I click on that, if you see the test lines got added, little bit bigger lines are got added. So if I click on that to see some more spaces got added into the each line. If you want to reduce it, so click on one and it will be changed to the normal. Still we can adjust something based on our need. Then we have another one, we have test alignment, where if you want like this way, that every test will be in line. If you want to have the arrange based on the like centralized one, then right side. So if I click on the right side, the test got aligned to the right side. And then this one is like, it will be by default, it will be test will be put on the like justified based on the like space, and based on the what is the length is there, it will be get adjusted over there. Then here we have one line column, 2 line column. If I click on the 1 line column, so as of now normal test. If I click on the 2 line columns, if you see, it got spread it into 2 lines. Then if I click on the 3 line column, if you observe, it test got split into 3 columns. The more columns, if we add more columns, 4 columns, 5 columns, right, 4 columns. Let's see if test is there, it got split into 4 columns. Then let me, for sure I need to reset it, so I will click on that and click on all formatting, and then and click into the 1 line column. So test got formatted. So see how many tests I had applied, how many things I have applied, but as soon as I click on format, it got changed, reset to the original one. Now we have test direction, so based on our need we can change the test direction. So horizontal, rotate 90%. Okay, so this is the rotation based on our direction, right? We can do so horizontal by default. Test alignment, middle, top, bottom. If test is like box is very big, if say for example box is very big, if you want to have the test aligned to be center, click on the middle, it will be get center. If you want to have the top, it will be top, and the bottom we can click on this. Then convert to smart art. If you click on it, it's like actually very good topic. So if we have some list is there, and if we click on the smart charge, by default based on the like by whatever the value we have, it will change to smart art. We will be having next video, we will be covering in this topic in detail, because it will be a little bit bigger video if you are going to cover in this video. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.